Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a fun video. I actually won a giveaway from Denise at Kranch Creations. She has a YouTube channel. Go check it out below. I'll link everything down below in the description. She makes her own custom silicone molds, and check it out. She has this beautiful spun gold mica powder. So I wanted to show you guys really quickly what I won from her giveaway, and then we're going to jump in and get started and use some of these. But look at how pretty this snowflake mold is. It's got so many great details. I'm so excited to use this one. It's really shiny too. And check out this coaster mold. It's got a seahorse in there, a little gem in the middle, and there's a mermaid right here, and it's got 3 cavities for the coasters, and the coasters have that fun textured edge that give you that really nice agate look. I forget what the correct term is. Let me know down in the comments. And then this Buddha mold, and you guys, she makes all these molds herself, so be sure to go check her out. And check it out, this crystal quartz, nice big one too, and this awesome lotus flower mold. I was so excited to get that. I'm so excited to use it. And here's all her information. She gives you an instruction sheet and how to take care of your molds. You don't need mold release. Everything comes out nice and easy. So let's jump in and get started. The resin I'm going to be using today is the Liquid Diamonds resin. It's from the Epoxy Resin store. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below in the description. I'm going to be using this blushing pink mica powder and white gold mica powder from Primal Flow Paint, along with Denise's spun gold pigment. Look at how pretty it is, so shimmery and beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do kind of like a dirty pour with all my colors here. I went ahead and mixed up my resin and my pigments off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial step by step on how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link that down below in the description and put an iCard right here in the corner. Just click that and it'll take you straight to the video. I just cut out of this one to save time. So as you can see, I'm just taking my little cup here and layering my colors and just pouring it in. I was just experimenting. I wanted to see how the molds worked, and flip cups are always a lot of fun. I feel like you always get pretty results with them. Sometimes you can get mud. That's happened to me before, but I knew with these colors that wouldn't happen because they're just nice tropical fun bright colors. Remind me of spring. I'm like wishing for warmer weather. So I'm just going to fill this one up, but check out the first one. See how it's already changed a lot? The resin will change as it's moving, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of clear right in the center here, just to kind of push those pigments to the side. And I ended up scraping all the colors out of my cups and doing another little kind of dirty pour into the lotus flower mold here, and it was almost full with about 2 ounces of resin, so I just added a little bit of clear on there, let them dry for 24 hours, and now we're ready to demold them. But check it out, look at how pretty that spun gold is. It's so shimmery. The pink pigment is really nice too. I love using mica powders because they're just so shimmery and beautiful. These just remind me of like a tropical sunset. So what I'm gonna do, I decided I'm gonna actually make a kind of, guess you could, jewelry tray thing for your rings. So what I'm going to do is demold this lotus flower, and I'm going to take a little bit of resin and attach it to one of these coasters, and then it'll be really nice, like, you know, if you're doing dishes, you can put it in your windowsill and just set your rings on there. It'll be a nice little beautiful jewelry holder. And the lotus flower, you just have to pull it apart quite a bit, I would say for a few minutes, and just kind of get everything loosened up, and then you can pull it out. After I had done this, Denise said what you should do with these lotus flower molds is just loosen it like I was doing, and then flip it over and take your thumbs and push it from the back. So I'll definitely do that next time, because I didn't want to like damage the mold, but I just pulled it right out of there. So here, this is a different day. I was filling up this lotus flower in the Buddha mold, but I'm just taking a little bit of that spun gold pigment and adding it to this coaster here, and I'm going to attach that lotus flower right on there. See how pretty? And then let that dry for about 24 hours, and then it'll be all set up and it's not going to move anywhere. And check out how pretty the Buddha turned out. I accidentally my camera wasn't recording when I poured these, but I wanted to include the demoldings. This lotus flower is just the pure spun gold. It turned out really nice. I'll bring you guys in for a close-up and show you how my ring holders turned out. So here they are all finished. Look at how beautiful and sparkly they are. That spun gold is just really beautiful pigment. And the lotus flower mold, it's a crystal mold, so it really shines like a crystal. It's got the different faceted cuts on the petals. Check out all the fun details on this Buddha too. And here's the little gem. It turned out really nice as well. And here's the gold lotus flower. I haven't had a chance to put some resin on it and stick it to one of the little coasters yet, but I'll do that next time I work with resin. And I wanted to show you guys how they look with the rings on them, since I'm going to be using these as jewelry holders. So be sure to go check out Denise at Kranch Creations. She's got tons of fun molds on her website. I will link all her information down below, and go subscribe to her channel if you're not already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, go ahead and leave me a like, or another thing that would help me out is if you go check out a few more of my other videos or even a playlist. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you on Monday for another video. Bye!